In today's video, I'll teach you how to add products in WooCommerce. First of all, log into your WooCommerce account via your WordPress account. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure WooCommerce option is selected. Once this option is selected, you can see over here, you'll be able to start customizing your store. So if you want to add your products over here at second, you'll be able to find the option for add your products. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to add your products. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to see the product types, physical product, variable product, group product. Also, you'll be able to find more product types if you click on this option, view more product types. Also, you'll be able to see the questions like are you already selling somewhere else, print on demand products, etc. Click on the option of your choice. Now click on the product type of your choice. Now once you do that, you can see over here that product type will be selected. Now you'll be able to edit the product over here. What you have to do is click on this field. Now enter the product name. Once you do that, you can also enter the product description if you want. Click on this field. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply enter the product description over here. If you want, you can also add the media. Click on the option add media. After that, you'll be able to add the photos of your product. Also, what you have to do is scroll down. You'll be able to find various options related with product data over here. What you have to do is simply click on the field of product data. Now you'll be able to find the options like simple product, group product, etc. Click on the option of your choice. Also, you'll be able to find the options like virtual, downloadable, gift card. If any of this option applies to your product, you can simply check on these boxes. Now over here, you'll have to estimate the price. What you have to do is enter the price over here. Click on the field of regular price. Now enter the price over here. Likewise, click on the field of sell price. Now enter the sell price over here. Now enter the amount of minimum quantity. Now enter the amount of maximum quantity over here. Now you can also click on the field of group of. Now you can enter your data over here. Also, you'll be able to find the option for exclude from, order rules, category rules. You can simply adjust the settings according to your choice. Also, you'll be able to find the option for inventory, shipping, linked products, attributes, advanced add-ons over here. You can simply click on the specific options and adjust the settings. Now scroll down. Now what you have to do is provide the product short description over here. Click on the field of product short description. Now what you have to do is simply enter the short description of your product. You'll be able to find various editing options over here. Also, you'll be able to add the media. Also, you'll be able to add the contact form. So what you have to do is simply adjust all these settings according to your choice. After you're done, what you have to do is click on the publish option that you can see on the screen. After that, this particular product will be added to your WooCommerce. So that is how you add product in WooCommerce. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.